Hello. So for this one, we're going to be going over problem 7 of the EE301 review packet for 12 weeks. So I'm just going to go through these true or false questions, and we're going to talk about why the answer is the way it is. So the first one, A, if a load is shown on the circuit, the first step is to remove the load. That is true. That is just kind of like the first step of solving a Thevenin problem. Just kind of something you'll need to memorize. B, the Thevenin impedance is always the impedance as seen by the source. That is false, not true. The Thevenin impedance is the impedance as seen by the load. When solving for the Thevenin impedance, we must turn off the sources by replacing both current and voltage sources as shorts. That is false. So remember this, current sources become opens. Voltage sources become shorts. So this is false because it says that current sources become shorts, which is not true. D, when solving for the Thevenin impedance, we must turn off the sources by replacing the current sources as shorts and the voltage sources as opens. That is, we check here, false. Remember, they switched them. These should be opens, these should be shorts. When solving for Thevenin impedance, we must turn off the sources by replacing the current source with an open and the voltage sources with the shorts. Now that is correct. That is true. When finding the Thevenin voltage, we use open terminals. Use open terminals where Thevenin perspective is. That should say where the Thevenin perspective is. Thevenin voltage, we use open terminals where the Thevenin perspective is. Yes, that's true. That is just another step in the process of solving for Thevenin voltage. So if you remember, if we had a circuit like this, a simple circuit, and here was the load, then if we were trying to solve for the Thevenin voltage, we would take that load out and then find the voltage at that point. So we would redraw the circuit with everything in there, except the load would now just be an open terminal, and we would find the voltage Thevenin right here. And that makes that true. And that is problem 7 on the EE301 12-week review packet.